Hello students, come back to our class, and next concept is neutralization reaction, and this reaction is most important. You are already familiar with neutralization reaction, and this reaction can also be called as acid base reaction. The name acid base reaction itself indicates acid is reacted with base. Acid is reacted with base. You might have noticed that in your daily life. Suppose if a person is suffering from a problem acidity, suppose if a person is suffering from a problem acidity, acidity is a problem that is caused due to the excess production of acid in our stomach. Sometimes our stomach produces excess acid due to indigestion. That excess production of acid leads to the problem acidity, and acidity causes pain and irritation. If a person is suffering from the problem acidity, the person consumes, the person takes antacid. The person takes antacid. What is the nature of antacid? Antacid is being basic in nature. Antacid is being basic in nature. Remember that antacid is not acid, it is basic in nature. It is against to the base. What will happen when we take antacid? I will tell you what happens when we take antacid. Antacid is being basic in nature. When we take antacid, that reacts with acid, that neutralizes acid to form salt and water. And this gives temporary relief to the person who is suffering with acidity problem. Now say, what happens in our stomach when we take antacid? Neutralization reaction takes place. What happens? Neutralization reaction takes place when we consume antacid tablet. Clear? Here, the effect of acid produced in our stomach is decreased by base antacid. Remember that the effect of acid produced in our stomach, that will be decreased by antacid. Clear? Now we define what is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction means the reaction of acid with base to form salt and water. If any acid is chemically reacted with base to form salt and water, that process is called as neutralization reaction. The reaction between acid and base, the reaction between acid and base to form salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. Any neutralization reaction gives products salt and water. Now let us take some examples here in the form of chemical equation. I am taking sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is base which is present in aqueous form. When it reacts with acid, hydrochloric acid, to form salt NaCl and water H2O are formed. During neutralization reaction, the hydrogen atoms of acid are replaced by metal of the base. Once again, during neutralization reaction, hydrogen atoms of the acid are replaced by metal of the base to form salt NaCl and water. And one more example, sodium hydroxide NaOH, when it is reacted with sulfuric acid H2SO4, both are present in aqueous form to form salt Na2SO4 and water H2O. In this reaction, hydrogen atoms of sulfuric acid are being replaced by metal sodium of the base NaOH to form salt Na2SO4 and water H2O. This is neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? The reaction of acid with base to form salt and water. What are the products formed during neutralization reaction? Salt and water. Okay, and this reaction is also called as acid base reaction. You may get 1 mark or 2 mark question on this topic, neutralization reaction, in public exam. Okay, you try to learn neutralization reaction. So till now we have discussed three topics. One is reaction of base with metal, and second one is reaction of acids with carbonates and bicarbonate, and third one is neutralization reaction. Make a note on these three concepts. Clear?